In this video, we will discuss how to set up multiple URLs for a single resource in ASP.NET Core Web API application. In our previous videos, we have discussed how to work with variables and query strings in ASP.NET Core Web API. Let's learn how can we access this single resource by using multiple URLs. Let me add two URLs here. So copy and paste it below that. Change the URL. So get all, get all API, get all. Okay, we can access this resource by using these three URLs. Um, See here, this is a unique URL for this resource. Okay, now save and run this application. Now append the URL, get all. So we got the output. Now second URL. So again we got the output. Now third URL, API/get all. So again we got the output. We can have multiple URLs for single resource is possible until they are unique in ASP.NET Core Web API application. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.